Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these FitVille Rebound V3 Neo walking shoes for men. Taking a look at the design, these things are beautiful. They've got this bluish gray slate color that accents it along the outer edge. It's also got a lot of whites and off-whites that allow this to really work with any outfit you may be wearing. I'm excited to wear this with white outfits. I'm excited to wear it with darker outfits. And it's not too flashy. It's also not too plain. So they really have a nice mix right there. They've also got these soles underneath. This is their Propel Core technology. And these are really grippy. They're very durable. They're going to allow you to wear these shoes for a very long time. The nice thing about FitVille shoes is they come in wide and extra wide. So look at that toe box there. Super wide, but not too wide where it's kind of like a clown shoes. I've seen some shoes that kind of look silly like that. These will allow your toes to have lots of wiggle room. If you're like me, you've got wider feet, and the feet normally get wider in the toe area. Lots of shoes are too narrow here, and they apply unnecessary pressure on your toes that really don't feel good, and it'll make you want to stop wearing your shoes during the day. These you can really wear all day long. So taking a look again at these, super durable, well made, very nice looking. I'm excited to wear these in all my walking excursions. But it's not just a walking shoe, it's also a lifestyle shoe. You can wear these to really make a statement, wear them all day long again. Even the laces, look at all the care that went into those. It's not even just one color, it's got the blue, it's also got like the white pinstripe down there. The FitVille logo is not too flashy, it just makes the right statement in the right places. There is that Rebound Neo branding right there. So overall, I highly recommend these shoes. You should check out FitVille shoes. Again, they got wide and extra wide toe boxes. Shoes for any type of person. Thanks for watching.